We have the new Dodge Durango here, and the headlights aren't that bright, so we got these new Sylvania Silver Star Ultras 905s for the Durango, and we're going to install those now, and this is a video tutorial on how to do that. Alright, we're going to open the package here. We're just going to make a little cut down the middle. Hopefully we don't cut our leg. Be very careful when working with knives. And we got the bulb package opened up here in the back. Alright, on the Durango here, there's a little port underneath the wheel well. If you can look up under there, there's a little knob here. You basically just turn this knob and it opens up and it pops right off like that. And that allows you to reach your hand up in there. You can see up in there to replace the bulb. So in the Durango, once you have that port opened up, if you reach your hand in there, you'll notice that there's a little rubber cap that goes over the bulb housing. You got to turn that counterclockwise and unscrew that, and that enables you to open that up and enables you to get to the port where the wires are. Now, you could just leave it lay in there, or you could try to pull it out. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it lay in there. After looking at this a little further, determined that it is easier just to pull that out. So you can see that this is the cap here, and this just turns over the light housing and seals it up so it doesn't leak. Once you get that cover off, you reach in and grab the bulb and just turn it counterclockwise, and you can slide it out and pull it right out of the port here. You can see here up in there, and you can disconnect it from the wires. To disconnect it from the wires, you just stick your thumb underneath this little clip and it should just pop right off. It's a little snug. There it is, pops right off there. And there is the stock bulb, which is not that bright. All right, you can see the two bulbs here. The one without the blue is the old bulb, and the one with the blue is a new bulb. So I am going to connect that wire using that same clip and pop that right onto the new bulb, and you'll hear that snap into place. Now once you do that, try not to touch the bulb, but you can put it back up into the housing and turn it clockwise. My directions mixed up there. And lock it back into place. There it is, it's locked back into place right now. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to test out the bulb and see if that one bulb there works. And let's see if we have the new bulb. And it does work. And it's looking very bright. Much brighter than the other side. So that bulb is now replaced. And we're going to do this reassembly in reverse order. We're going to put the plastic cap back on, and then we're going to close up the port and the fender. Alright, we got the plastic cap back on. It's a little difficult to get on. You have to kind of feel your way around inside there. So we finished that up, and now we're going to take the fender port and just screw that back into place. It fits right in like this, and you turn it and it locks right in. Just make sure both tabs are locked in place because you don't want to lose that port. Now the job is done. On this side, one thing I forgot to mention, if you notice, I've turned my wheel all the way to the right. It's easiest to turn your wheel all the way to the opposite side so you have more room to that access port there. It's really simple. The job is done. Enjoy your new headlights.